In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Vivid filter to your video using CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Import the videos you want to edit by tapping the Import button. Once imported, add it to the track. Let's duplicate each video and apply the Vivid filter to the duplicated layer for comparison later. Now, go to the Filter tab. Use the search bar to find the Vivid filter. Once you've located the Vivid filter, tap on it to preview how it looks. After that, tap Add to apply it to your video. Drag the edges of the filter layer to match the duration of your video. Now with the filter layer selected, adjust the intensity using the slider in the toolbar. Customize it to your preferred look. After that, repeat the process for the second video. Once you're done, preview the video to see the result. Once you're happy with the result, delete the video without the filter and tap the export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully applied a Vivid filter in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!